In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get whiter teeth fast within 3 steps, okay? Guys, I've got some products here that I use personally every single day, and I'm going to show you what has worked for me to get white teeth. Like that, yeah? So, without further ado, let's get into the video, okay? So, guys, what we got here? Step 1. We have baking soda. Look, this is baking soda, guys. And as you can see, if you turn it around and you look at the top there, it shows you that it's good for your teeth as well, right? Not just for food, bruv. So, baking soda by Arm & Hammer, right? I took it out of the pack and I put it into a plastic container because I didn't want this to get wet and soggy and then mess up the baking soda. So this is what you do, right? You get baking soda. I usually take a teaspoon of this and put it in my mouth, pause, right? And what happens is when you put it in your mouth, it mixes with the moisture and it turns into a fluid, right? And you swirl that in your mouth for about a minute. So get the baking soda, swirl it in your mouth for a minute, and then don't spit it out. What you're going to do is you're going to get your toothbrush, your electric toothbrush. Let me show you guys. You're going to get your electric toothbrush, yeah? And with it, you're going to apply toothpaste, obviously. Guys, I use fluoride-free toothpaste. If you know, then you know. So you want fluoride-free toothpaste with your electric toothbrush, right? Because it's 2024, bro. If you're still using a normal toothbrush in this day and age, then I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying you should never use one again, but your primary toothbrush should be an electric toothbrush, right? So we get the electric toothbrush with our fluoride-free toothpaste. Right now, I am using Aloe Dent, right? Obviously, it's based on aloe vera. So yeah, I'm using Aloe Dent. It's very good. I've been using it now for about 2 weeks. It's very nice. And also, an alternative that I also use is Euphamol, okay? Now, Aloe Dent and Euphamol are both fluoride-free, and they both do their own mouthwash. I got the Aloe Dent mouthwash here. The Euphamol, I don't have that right now, but I will put the link in the description. And what you're going to do is use either one of these or a toothpaste of your choice with your electric toothbrush. And you're going to brush with the baking soda in your mouth, okay? That's what you're going to do. So let's recap. You take the baking soda, you put a teaspoon in your mouth, you swirl it around. Whilst you're swirling that around, you get your toothbrush and toothpaste and you brush. So you combine the toothpaste with the baking soda in your mouth, right? Then do that for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and you're good, okay? Spit that out. What you're going to do after that is you're going to take your mouthwash. I use fluoride-free mouthwash as well. So I have Aloe Dent here, just like the toothpaste, right? You can also get a Euphamol mouthwash. But yeah, I take the mouthwash after and put it in my mouth, pause. And then obviously keep it in there for about 2 minutes. Spit that out, done. That's it. That's how you whiten your teeth in 3 simple steps. The baking soda is really what makes a difference for me, okay? So I thought, hey, let me come and show you guys the real deal, okay? So yeah, 3 simple steps. Let me quickly recap. You take the baking soda, you put a teaspoon measurement in your mouth and you swirl it. You combine that with your electric toothbrush and fluoride-free toothpaste. And then when you've brushed those in your mouth for about 2 to 3 minutes, you spit that out. Then you apply fluoride-free mouthwash right there, okay? keep that in your mouth and swirl it around for about 2 to 3 minutes. Spit that out and you're good, right? Now, some of you may say, how long does this take to make a difference, especially with the baking soda? For me personally, I will say give it about a month, okay? Give it about a month before you see results, right? Don't expect to see results within 1 week and then you don't, and then you get angry. No, give it about a month, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, and you should see results with your teeth. Obviously, other things come into play like what you eat and what you drink, but you should see results within a month. And with those 3 simple steps, that's how you can whiten your teeth and really make a difference. Looks like the sun's coming out. But yeah, don't worry guys, I'm gonna put all of these in the description for you, right? I'll put all the links there and get you covered just in case and to save you guys time with how, but yeah, those are the simple 3 steps as to how you can improve your teeth and whiten them a lot more. So thank you. I'm gone.